So there is part 2. I'm eating chips and pizza. I don't know how to end it. I'm not yet to end it. Hey, guys can't see. It's hard with the English button eating. Look. Here's the chips. And here's the...
My tongue.
Oh my god. So, I'm trying to ask you. Okay. I probably want to check out the Google my sister's phone. My sister. So, yeah. It's passing. Now. Okay. We're gonna play Roblox in a bit. So, yeah.